What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, MBS. What we're going to go over today, short, simple, sweet, escrows. All escrows are a fancy word for auto debit. Do not get confused. How you spell it? E-S-C-R-O-W. S. Escrows. All right, what escrows are is to make sure you pay your taxes and the insurance. And if you don't, the bank and or your town you live in is going to come for you.
What did he say?
All right, the reason banks escrow is to make sure your taxes are paid. If your taxes are not paid, the town can come and put a lien on your house. No. We don't like liens on houses.
What the hell is even that?
The bank has to be in first lien position, okay? When you buy a house, what they're going to do, at closing, they're going to make you pay the next quarters, or depending on what state you live in, the next year, or the next 3 quarters of taxes, okay? Simultaneously, you will open up what's called an escrow account.
Wow.
Where they will collect 2 months taxes and insurance. If your taxes are $6,000 for the year, they'll collect $1,000. Okay? This way that account is revolving. Every time the tax man knocks on your door and says, hey, taxes are due,
Fuck you!
the bank will pay. Okay? Simultaneously, all right, we have taxes. I should have wrote that up there before. I apologize. And insurance. All right? Both of which I hate as much as you guys, but it's the way of the world. Insurance. When you buy a house, you need homeowner's insurance on the home. Why? Because your house is collateral. If you gave someone $100, you want to make sure they somehow, some way, if anything happens to them, you get it back. Probably not. You want to put insurance on somebody, but you get my point, right? So you're going to buy a homeowner's insurance policy. If your house burns down, your homeowner's insurance policy covers it.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
So the same principle applies. You'll pay for a full year of homeowner's insurance prior to close. Okay, just go to a credit card, get those points.
Is it possible to learn this power?
And then they'll prorate that. If your homeowner's insurance is $1,200 for the year, they'll collect $200 at closing. This way it's a revolving account. Homeowner's insurance is generally renewed annually. So the balance will rack up, and then come start of the new year, they'll pay your insurance. So you don't have to worry about it. It makes your life easier.
Yeah, boy.
Can you waive these? Yes, but why would you? It costs a fee and or added to your rate. So I would just recommend letting the bank pay it and just get something done for you.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Okay? But these are what escrows are. Everyone has to do them. That's not entirely true, but for all intents and purposes, again, everyone has to do them. Fancy word. Auto debit. Auto debit, escrows. All you need to know. Like and subscribe.
Get a life, nerd.